In this video, I'm going to show you how to detach multiple files from your AutoCAD. So I have a drawing here and I have multiple images that were attached to this project and they are no longer in use. So I would like to detach multiple of them. So if I do this, if I use the shift button and then I right click, you will notice that I'm not able to do that. Or if I use the control button or the command on the Mac, it will allow me to select multiple of them, but when I right click, it's only going to select a single one of them, and then you do detach. So that's the way that's how it looks like basically. However, if you want to select all of them and actually detach all of them from this drawing, you still do the same. You either use the command button on the Mac or you use the shift to select all of them. And then what you need to do is to actually click on this button, detach referenced file. When you do that and you hit yes, that's the way to do it for multiple files in your AutoCAD drawing on Mac.